Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to connect your PS5 controller with your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3, and trust me, the process is quite simple. With this same process, you should be able to play Xbox cloud gaming on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3 using your PS5 controller. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to put your PS5 controller on pairing mode, and the way you do that is to just long press on the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. So just press and hold until you see the light on your PS5 controller blinking. Just like so, you can see that the light is blinking, and now you want to come over to your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3. Go ahead and turn it on and then put it on. Mine is currently turned on. Now on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3, you want to head over to the quick settings menu over here. So just click on this quick settings, and then you're going to see the quick settings menu on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3. Basically what you want to do is to head over to the Bluetooth settings over here, click on Bluetooth, and automatically make sure that Bluetooth is first of all turned on, and your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3 will start to look for available devices it can actually connect to. If you're unable to find your PS5 DualSense controller from over here, what you can actually do is to just click on the scan button over here, and then also make sure that your PS5 controller is also on pairing mode. Go ahead and click on the DualSense Wireless controller, click on the pair button over here, give it some few seconds, and automatically both devices will be paired. You can literally see this menu over here. It's a pair with DualSense wireless controller. Just click on pair and you're good to go. Now if you're playing like the Xbox cloud gaming on your Meta Quest 3S or your Meta Quest 3, you can go ahead and open it up. Take for instance, I have mine over here. I can just open it up. Now as you can see over here, I am currently playing Fortnite on my Meta Quest 3S or my Meta Quest 3 using my PS5 controller, and this works pretty well without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.